So it should have a badge on it.
Okay. Yeah, because normally those are fully built, so we just pop them on. So
Okay.
We did 2 more, and then we'll be
So
good.
see if there's one here, or see if we can get one overnighted for tomorrow.
Okay, cool.
What's up?
How's it going, man?
How are you?
Good, yourself?
Good.
Man, so I have a question. Been
Okay.
dying to ask for a long, long time.
Let's do it.
What's been your favorite part of working in motorsports?
Let me know when you need air pressure.
The constant challenge, right? Like obviously the people and it's fun, but like at a competitive level, like the constant challenge that motorsport brings out of you, whether it's behind the wheel, the business stuff, always just improving and always learning. Like you never master it.
Yes, sir.
And so that constant growth, I love that so much because it's not only growth on the track, like it's growth in life.
Yes, sir.
You push yourself beyond your limits, you know, and learn from the experience. And I just absolutely love that.
Heck yeah, man.
Too hot. Fuel sloshing.
Yeah.
It needs fuel. It needs fuel.
All right, hold up. It's gonna need fuel.